General points under secondary suffix. We have discussed many examples under first 4 units of IUPAC nomenclature till now. From this lecture onwards, we'll be concentrating on secondary suffix. Secondary suffix explains about main functional group present in the molecule. Examples under secondary suffix: carboxylic acids, acyl halides, aldehydes, nitriles, ketones, alcohols, amines, esters, anhydrides, amides. There are many more. Whenever a secondary suffix is present in the molecule, parent chain will be the longest possible carbon chain containing secondary suffix and the maximum number of multiple bonds if present in the molecule. In this molecule, double bond O is a secondary suffix. So our parent chain should include this portion. Let us try to number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the longest possible carbon chain, but it's possible to number in one more way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With this type of numbering, we have included the secondary suffix and we are having the longest possible carbon chain. With the second type of numbering, we are including the secondary suffix as well as the primary suffix in the system. So according to the above rule, this is the proper numbering. Lowest possible number should be given to the secondary suffix. In this molecule, this will be the longest possible carbon chain. Double bond O is our secondary suffix. Let us start numbering from both the direction. If I start it from this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I start it from another direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the first type of numbering, our substituents are getting the lower number, but secondary suffix is getting the higher number 5. With the second type of numbering, prefixes are getting the higher number, but the secondary suffix is getting the lower number. According to the above rule, since the priority is high to the secondary suffix, we should ensure that secondary suffix is getting the lower number. So, this is the proper numbering. All carbon containing functional groups except ketone come under terminal secondary suffix. Example: carboxylic acid, aldehyde, acid halide, ester, amide, nitrile or cyanide. Carbon of these terminal secondary suffix is always numbered 1, meaning this will be numbered 1 in the molecule, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Accordingly, if we number in this molecule, CO2H is the terminal secondary suffix. So this carbon should be numbered 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This may be the longest carbon chain in the system, but this doesn't include our secondary suffix. So this is chosen as the parent chain. IUPAC nomenclature is all about deciding the priority in the system. If the system is having secondary prefix and ane as the primary suffix along with the root word, then we will be choosing the longest possible carbon chain that includes as many secondary prefixes as possible. So the importance here is to secondary prefix. If the system is having secondary prefix and "-ine" and "-ine" as the primary suffix along with the root word, then our importance will be to the primary suffix. So this will be first one. Then if it permits, we will be giving the importance to secondary prefix. If we have secondary prefix, primary suffix and secondary suffix, first importance will be to secondary suffix, then we will concentrate on primary suffix, then we will be moving to secondary prefix. Next lecture will be on IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Thank you.